Friends, there are a lot of lawyers out there. I would be honored to represent you. Let me tell you some of my credentials so you have a better idea. I'm a former federal prosecutor. I spent 17 years at the U.S. Attorney's Office. For 13 of those years, I was the chief assistant. Supervised 20 attorneys, and we handled hundreds and indeed thousands of cases. So I have a vast experience in criminal law as a prosecutor. I've been a defense attorney for over 20 years, so I've taken the skills that I learned as a prosecutor and the techniques and the laws and the investigative techniques that investigators use, police officers use, to help clients get the very best result and get a fair result. Our criminal justice system hardly ever rolls backwards. It typically rolls forwards, and it crushes a lot of people unless they have a lawyer who is there to protect them and be their advocate. I have, of course, been selected one of the top criminal defense firms in Northeast Florida for the last 20 years. Been on the Dr. Phil show, got an HBO special. I'm routinely called upon by the local TV stations to provide expert commentary on criminal matters. So again, that demonstrates the reputation I have in this community, which is another plus, because when you're dealing with judges and prosecutors, you need to have a lawyer that is well thought of and who is respected by the judges and the prosecutors, and that's where we fit the bill. And when we do that, as a prosecutor myself, I respect the job that prosecutors have done, and I always treat them with respect. And what we're doing is providing them important information so they can make the most informed and fairest decision. And if you don't have a lawyer that's going to do that, and all the prosecutors read is that arrest report, guess what? They're only going to see one side, and it may be a skewed version of the facts. So you need a lawyer that's an advocate for you, that's going to help demonstrate to the prosecutor that what they see in that arrest report is not accurate. And of course, you also want a lawyer that's going to make you an important part of that team defense. Don't hire a lawyer that thinks they're Clarence Darrow and they can solve everything and tell you to get out the door once you've spent the money to hire him. You want a lawyer that's going to have you involved in the case. And we tell folks, one call, 100 calls, one email, 100 emails. We want our clients involved in the case with us, because we know that with their involvement and their knowledge and their expertise and their family that wants to help them out, we're going to have a far stronger work product, and thus a far stronger and more successful result when we have our clients working with us. We work nights, weekends to make that happen, and it's always an honor to represent folks who are going through these trying times. As a prosecutor, I didn't realize how stressful it was for folks that got prosecuted, having defended families for 20 years. I know how stressful it is, and we want to be there for you.